everybody, we're going bluegill fishing and we're running off the road.
Bluegill and shellcracker.
Yes, we literally live for this time of year. I grew up in Wisconsin, and so we literally live for right now. I grew up
every March through July.
Yeah.
They move up and spawn.
Yep, and I grew up in Wisconsin, and so I grew up bluegill fishing my whole life, and grew up on bluegill meat, and it's like my favorite. It's awesome.
Yeah, so it's gonna be fun.
Yeah, it is. Here we go.
Catch some giants.
Yeah.
Usually we catch them right here, remember? Before this house was built, and I don't know if they're here though. I see some white spots down here. Oh, I got one. Good one too. Dang.
Oh, dang.
Yeah, they're here. They're here. Oh my God, babe. Look at the size of that thing. What a giant. Yeah, what a freaking toad. Golly. Look at that freaking giant. What a freaking slab, dude. My God. What size is that freaking thing? Just stand right here, baby. Stand over my shoulder on this side. I have to get a new arm. Just throw it at some. I think there's some right here too, man. There's a bunch of white spots. I can barely see though. Yeah, that's it. Just throw right there. They're always so finicky right here. And maybe this dirtier water will keep them from taking off so much. Big old tilapia out there too, man. I think those are tilapia beds. I don't know. I'm not getting another bite. That's a tilapia bed.
Did you get the other one on film?
Yeah. Who knows? I can't see down there. Usually we could see them this time of year here, you know.
Is there a pipe over there?
No. Oh, that was a giant. That was a giant.
Should I go over there?
Cast over there. Cast over there. That was a big one. There you go. That was a giant, babe. That was a big one. Dang it. Uh-oh. She got a giant on. Oh my God, babe. Oh my God. That is a mega.
Hello, beautiful.
Whoa, that's a legit 1 pounder. I knew there was giant. Oh.
Oh, he's bleeding.
My gosh.
Get his little thing out.
Babe.
Thank you.
What? Holy crap, dude. Look at the size of that thing. What do you have to say? He's got a giant one. That's the ones that are down there.
Yep. And you know what? I got it literally right along the edge.
I know. Yeah. Remember that one that took? That was probably the same one. Holy crap, dude.
Hey.
Dude. Giant. Oh, I don't know if these guys see.
No.
Holy
That's gonna be a nice
crap,
one.
dude. Get back over there. Got one.
Got one.
Yeah, another one. Too small.
You sure?
Yeah, too small. Too small. Oh. Dang, baby, you caught a megalodon. You literally caught a megalodon.
It's a good day.
All right, don't fish for a minute because can I retie?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead. No, go ahead. Cast, baby, just cast.
I know. But I'm trying to do what I did.
Holy crap, babe, you legit caught, I think that's your personal best.
Oh yeah, for sure. Oh yeah, yep, right on the frickin' line.
Yeah, there's all them rocks and stuff down there. You shaking because you caught a giant?
And my arms are shaking because I worked out super hard this morning.
Holy crap, dude, you caught a... We're gonna have to weigh that one.
Yeah. I'm telling you, I live.
That's a 1 pounder, bro.
If I could tell you something, I literally live for bluegill fishing. In Wisconsin, I grew up in Wisconsin, and all we did was bluegill fish, and we grew up on bluegill meat, and so it's...
Dude, that's a legit giant.
Red ears and bluegills, man.
That's a legit Florida shellcracker. Golly, dude. Golly.
Try.
Golly.
I'm out of the water. You can reach.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, giants. Giants. Giant. Absolute giant. Look at the size of that thing, dude. Ain't as big as yours, but it's pretty dang close. Megas. Golly. You get tapped again?
So sticking a hook through the bottom of your nail, 0 out of 10, not recommended.
Yeah, not fun. I think I'm gonna go.
She's burning up.
I think I'm gonna go hit that seawall, baby. Oh my gosh. I just lost another giant, babe. Oh no. That was a giant, bro. Yeah. That was a giant one. Oh, I had him on and everything. Big one too.
No.
Oh my God, giant.
No.
Yeah, giant one.
We're gonna run with this.
Yep. That'll eat good. That'll eat good. You're gonna push a little closer, baby.
Okay.
Nice. Not as giant, but no, closer, baby. Closer to the seawall, not closer physically. Close to the seawall. Could be all right here too. I mean,
No.
I wouldn't be opposed to dropping right here.
Who knows?
There's a big one, babe. Really big.
What?
Yeah, giant. Oh my God.
Oh my God. Keep them on.
Really big one. Oh my God, dude. Wow. Look at the size of that one, babe. Oh my God. Wow, babe. That's a giant. Look at the size of that.
Oh my gosh.
Look at the size of that one, dude. Oh,
Just scared the crap out of
golly.
me. Oh, oh, get him. Get him.
That's a big one.
Yeah.
Right hooked in the mouth too. Had me all wrapped up on him. Oh my God.
Get him in there.
Let's go get him in the thing. Look at the size of that freaking thing, dude.
Holy crap.
That's a 1 pounder, one something. Jeez, dude. Oh my God. What a giant.
Is that where you were throwing it over there?
Yeah.
Hey, that was huge. Oh my God.
Ah, small. Small, small, small.
Not big enough to even.
No.
It's leading.
A little bit, but that'd be fine.
Did he just rip in half?
Hold on. Big old bluegills, bro.
That one's a keeper, isn't it?
I'll let him go. I'll let him go. See you, pal. Your lucky day. Let me get one more worm, Bubba. Let me get one of them worms, big worm.
I like that nickname.
What up, big worm? Something got it. There's a red ear.
Size one, good size one.
Hey, peeing too. Told you.
Hey. Oh yeah, full
Yeah.
on feet. Oh.
Fucking pissing like crazy.
Alright, get him in
Hey.
there. Do we have any water?
I'm gonna go get some water down there. Let's stick them up here for now.
Yeah, run around.
Just hold on, just hold them.
No, they're
Don't get him back in. Babe, kick him back over.
buddy. They eat their own hook.
Yeah. Yeah, we do. Now we're on them.
Hey!
That's a good one. There's a good one. That's a good size right there.
Yeah, it is. That's called dinner.
That's dinner there. Oh, peeing too.
Oh yeah, he's peeing all over you.
That's a good size one.
No, Mr. Turtle.
Now we're on them, babe.
Yeah.
Don't be jumping out. He's gonna be dinner. All right, got 3. You got your worm?
Yeah, I do.
Oh shit. Nice, good job, babe.
Thank you.
We're on them now. We own them now. I wish this stuff would go away here.
All those stuff on top of the water is all.
Yeah, that's kind of annoying.
Yeah, when they follow it like that. Oh,
That was a giant.
holy moly!
That was a
I still have my.
that was a giant, babe. You just lost a giant one.
I live for this
Fuck outta here.
time of the year.
That was a giant one, babe.
I am literally, this is my happy girl dance. It's like when I get food. Hey, 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 hey.
Oh, good one too, babe. Don't lose that one. Don't lose that one. Nice.
Ah!
Hey, all right, babe.
Ow, I stuck the hook through my finger.
Nice, boo.
Thank
Peeing
you.
everywhere too.
Yeah, yes.
Nice. I'm gonna get eat good. We got 4, baby.
We're gonna have it. We live for this time of year, but
Where's the mega giants at, though? There we go. That's a good one. That's a good one. There's a big one. That's a big one. That's a great old big one right there. Golly. Let's go stick him in the bucket. Let's go stick him in the bucket. I'll be back. There's a bite. They're still down there. Let them grow up. I want the really bigs. Like the ones we got in the bucket. That's the size we want. That's the size we want. Usually them bigger ones are out by these rocks out here. You know, those shell crackers love rocks. Hard bottom, you know, rock, shell, stuff like that. And usually you can catch some big ones here. Just gotta be patient. Usually this water's not flowing like this. But we've had so much rain here in Florida that it's just, it's been a wet winter. It's been a really wet winter. There's some, I see one down there. Yep. We absolutely smashed them. About to fillet them up here, and we just ran to the store. We're gonna cook them up. I mean, oh my god, look at the size of these freaking things. Freaking giant. So yeah, we're gonna do it up.